In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use a timetable planner. Before you get started, you will want to take a look at your program requirements on the academic calendar website. There is another video with some more details on how to do this. Once you're familiar with your program requirements, you can head to WebAdvisor to see what courses are available. If you are unsure about which courses to pick, please get in touch with the Academic Advising Office. Once you're ready to start planning, head to nipissingU.ca/advising and you will see a link to student resources on the left side of the page. Clicking Student Resources will bring you to a list of resources that you can use throughout your degree, but in this video, we will be focusing on the Timetable Planner. When you open the Timetable Planner, you will see a blank document that looks like this. The document includes both a fall and winter term schedule, but if you are planning for the spring semester in the future, this timetable can be used the same way. Before we begin, please note that the courses used in this example are for demonstration purposes only and may not be required for your program requirements. When you search for your classes on WebAdvisor, class options will be displayed in the Meeting Information column. Select and make note of up to 3 preferred class times for each component of the course you are enrolled in, such as lectures, seminars, or labs. Consider alternative class times in case your selected classes are full. For example, History 1007 only has 2 different options for seminar times. Let's take a look at the second section with the 3:30 p.m. seminar to see if this would fit into our timetable. Using the information from WebAdvisor, pencil in the date and time of the course and its additional components into your timetable planner. You'll see that the lecture component and the seminar components are at 2 different times, but they do not overlap with any other courses. But now we're going to take a look at adding a second course to the timetable. Accounting 1106 is also on Tuesday, but the time of the lecture overlaps with the History 1007 seminar. If we remember to write down the other section of the course, we will see that the first section of History 1007 has a seminar at 2:30 p.m. to 3:20 p.m. Now we can erase the History 1007 seminar time that we had originally wrote so that we can fit in both the 2:30 p.m. seminar as well as the Accounting 1106 lecture. Continue with this method in order to fill your timetable for the semester. One thing to consider while planning your timetable is that some courses are offered at different locations. For example, some fine arts courses will be offered at the monastery campus, so you may want to leave some time in between a fine arts course and courses at the Education Center main campus so that you have enough time to get to where you're going. You will also want to consider taking distance learning courses or synchronous online learning courses. A distance course does not have a required meeting time. However, you could consider putting aside 3 hours into your timetable planner for a distance course to help keep you organized. A synchronous course does have a required meeting. You can access this course online, but you will want to add the scheduled time and date to your timetable. Finally, sometimes no matter how hard you try, you won't be able to make a class fit into your timetable. If this happens, make sure to prioritize any required courses for your program, especially the ones that are prerequisites for upper year classes. You can confirm if a class has a prerequisite by selecting it from the list of courses on your program requirements on the academic calendar website. That's it on how to use a timetable planner. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch with the academic advising team.